Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Today we are making immunity boosting ginger turmeric dalgona coffee. You might have made and drank creamy and frothy dalgona coffee. We are adding a few more ingredients to convert simple dalgona coffee into a fabulously delicious and ultra flavorful immunity boosting drink. It is very easy to make, yet yummy version of creamy and frothy dalgona coffee. It is very helpful in boosting immunity of human body to resist against many diseases. Make and serve it to your dear ones at least once every day and provide immunity shield. To make this excellent version of dalgona coffee, we have taken an inch-long piece of fresh turmeric root, an inch-long piece of fresh ginger root, 4 to 6 cloves and 8 to 10 whole black peppercorns. You may increase or decrease the amount of these ingredients according to your liking. Peel completely and wash thoroughly turmeric and ginger roots. Add all of these 4 ingredients into your mortar and pound well all together with pestle. Pounding brings out all the goodness of everything. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water into a vessel or pot over medium heat. Pour 2 cups milk into it. Adding water before pouring milk prevents burning and sticking of milk to the bottom of vessel. Also add pounded ingredients, that is turmeric root, ginger root, cloves, and black pepper. Stir once to mix and bring milk to a simmer. Reduce heat to low and allow simmering of milk and other ingredients for 5 to 7 minutes. In the meanwhile, when milk is simmering, let's prepare coffee mixture. Add 3 teaspoons or to taste sugar into a large bowl. Also add 3 teaspoons of instant coffee powder into it. You may use any brand instant coffee powder. Now add 3 teaspoons hot water into it. Stir to mix all first, then beat all together manually or use an electric beater to beat. Beat for 5 to 6 minutes if using electric beater. If using a manual whisk, then it will need around 15 to 20 minutes of beating. After beating for 2 minutes with electric beater, color of mixture starts to change. It turns light in color and starts to thicken as well. Give electric beat a rest for few seconds after beating for a couple of minutes so as to prevent heating of electric beater's motor. Beat until mixture turns fluffy and stiff peaks start to form. It has taken 6 minutes to reach at this stage. Fluffy mixture and stiff peaks are forming. Add 1 teaspoon of beaten fluffy coffee mixture into 1 serving glass if like to serve it like traditional espresso coffee style. Milk has also simmered well in the meanwhile and has turned into golden milk. Strain boiled golden milk through sieve into serving glasses. Divide fluffy and light beaten coffee mixture among both serving glasses on top of golden milk. Immunity boosting delicious dalgona coffee is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. We hope that you have liked it. Please subscribe for more such videos. Also click the like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback is really very important for us. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.